Okay, you bunch of weirdos, it's time for another Evil Lair project, and this one is going to be dedicated to Bleecker Street Comics, this guy. Yeah, so as you can tell, he's got kind of a macabre thing going on there. Horror, all that other stuff. He likes comic books and wrestling, and he's been on a lot of live shows and a lot of competitions, and I think he deserves this. Championship belt, custom made from the Evil Lair. This one's going to be fun because we're going to make this one piece, and then these two pieces, and then we'll do something off to the side. We're going to use casting. We're going to use brass and aluminum, and then we're going to do some leather work. That's the new thing that I have to try in this video, and put it all together. But first, we got to make molds. So let's grab some wood, get his name on it, put a skull on another one, put the word champion on yet another thing, and
I know I'm lucky, man, but I don't feel lucky, man. Why can't I feel what I know? Still ain't got what I wanted, man. Same cause, same suffering. I know I reap what I sow. I know I'm lucky, man, but I don't feel lucky, man. Why can't I feel what I know? Still ain't got what I wanted, man. Same cause, same suffering. I know I reap what I sow. I live off letters, script this lecture and get my lectures. Watch these kids play Tetris through my speech like experts. I'm getting older, whatever, I really don't know if I'm better. It's winter, I cope with the weather. Keep saying I'll go, but I've never been busy, so growing my feathers. It's taking more than my effort, I think it's luck that I need. A decade of just up and coming and still haven't come to my senses of peak. Week after week, running off too little sleep and a stubborn belief that borders blind is keeping pace and working days with hopes the winds of fate will find us. I get mad at God, I get mad at God. Watching billionaires get to play astronauts. God loves Musk and Bezos, don't the numbers say so? Should turn a mill with all this breath I waste on what I hate most. I know I'm lucky, man, but I don't feel lucky, man. Why can't I feel what I know? Still ain't got what I wanted, man. Same cause, same suffering. I know I reap what I sow. I know I'm lucky, man, but I don't feel lucky, man. Why can't I feel what I know? Still ain't got what I wanted, man. Same cause, same suffering. I know I reap what I sow. It's all gonna end before my retirement. Play a sad song on the tiniest violin. I get so tired, I can't even cry it, but get too much data with no time to file it up. Desperate urges surge up, make me research crypto. With leverage, might get wrecked at 30x and get rich quick though. I don't know, I'll work it out. Know the odds, they serve the house. Live my life when work allows. Got some drops and I'm thirsty now, and I know that it's love that I get that'll count when it's all said and done. Wish this love would give me funds. I'll send you a cup when I get some. 3 known facts, fees, loans, tax. Need more racks, beans, bones, stacks. Seeing what lags, see who gets that surplus. Proceed to curse the system, count ways that it won't serve us. I know I'm lucky, man, but I don't feel lucky, man. Why can't I feel what I know? Still ain't got what I wanted, man. Same cause, same suffering. I know I reap what I sow. I know I'm lucky, man, but I don't feel lucky, man. Why can't I feel what I know? Still ain't got what I wanted, man. Same cause, same suffering. I know I reap what I sow. Oops, I forgot to slow down. Busy, making self-pity feel profound. When it's hitting, there's enough for me to go round. Wishing in both hands. Look at how much I hold now.
alright weirdos, here's where we at. We got our castings done. We got our champion metal part. Champion. Right? And then we got, for the bottom part of it, we got a skull. Looks like it's pushing itself out of the aluminum. I like that. And then of course we got the nameplate as well. Boom. It says Bleecker Street, abbreviated. Bleecker Street. All right. So these will go on there. And then for the little side parts here that I was talking about, unfortunately I had to do these off camera. Not really, I just forgot to hit the record button. But we're going to put a couple of skulls up there. And you can tell that these have been kind of already darkened and polished. I wanted to get these done and out of the way. So next, what do we got next? We got to cut our leather so all this stuff fits on there. We got to do that. Then we got to take them, polish them up, grind them out a little bit, kind of smooth it out. I'm going to keep this kind of rough look to it because it reminds me of something you would see in a graveyard. He's got kind of a dark, macabre type channel, so we're going to keep with that concept. And then, but we will polish them up and make them shine a little bit, but keep like the nasty little gouges and stuff in it. I think that would be kind of cool. So let's get some leather cut up, place our stuff, polish, and then figure out how we're going to mount these. I have no idea how I'm going to mount these yet. We'll come up with something, I'm sure. All right, let's jump into it. Let's go.
Put you in that mood you like, spirit moving, now loosen you up, you don't care, who cares? Look at you now, it's magic, filling up glasses, looking like an actress, ayy. You just wanna listen to a classic, bouncing like a mattress, man, I'm out of practice, ayy. Sick of how slow, just living spin, hard to get right, being limited. You just wanna go where the rhythm is, be in the crowd uninhibited. You can't lay low, so follow me, I obey, so I'll probably wake up holding my head. But I know what I get. So showstopper, go knock on my house. You've been like champagne that shook up for days. Showstopper can't lock you down. Go get loose like you used to do. 60-odd hours a week on the wheel. I know you do it, but how do you deal? I see how all of it's making you feel. Let's move to Finland, I think I'm for real. Let's go, let's go, let's go. First we need a drink and a resto. 2 shots now, you caught your wave. Moonwalk, yeah, you got your stage. I know you've been working for what you already purchased. Concerned that it wasn't worth it. If it won't serve you, don't serve it, okay? That's really all I'll say. If I had it all, I'd pay. Sick of selling all these days, sick of it in all these ways. And we don't got a lot, but for now, let's spend some. Hey, showstopper, go knock on my house. You've been like champagne that shook up for days. Showstopper can't lock you down. Go get loose like you used to do. Your boss and say you've had your fill. And if he won't play ball, then that team might spill. Yeah, I know that you can't go. Still feels good having ammo. Still feels good just to plan though. But let me just shut up and dance so. Hey, showstopper, go knock on my house. You've been like champagne that shook up for days. Showstopper can't lock you down. Go get loose like you used to do.
Alright, weirdos, that's it. We're all done. It's dark out. It's almost bedtime, but we got this. Check it out. Boom. Come on now. Bleecker Street champion. Scully face. Scully face. Scully face. Oh, yeah. Right? This thing's kind of heavy. We got some little spikes to hold our slaps together. We got some thingies for them. I don't know if this is going to fit them or not, but anything I've seen with wrestlers, they're generally rocking it like this anyway. So, boom, there it is. Adding these supports to the back, that really kind of helped to really put this in place. This is pretty good thick leather. So I'm super happy to get this done. So if you haven't yet, definitely check out the link down below. Go check out Bleecker Street. He's kind of got this macabre wrestling vibe, but he's like super even chill. Like we all knew that guy in high school, right? So yeah, so this is going to Canada. So super happy. Ooh, gotta see it glow. You wanna see it glow? Let's watch it glow. Ooh, even spooky in the dark. Yeah, that's super cool. All right, guys, for the next EVIL LAIR project, we got some stuff here. Check this out. I'll bring it over here for you real quick. You're definitely going to check this out. This is all sterling silver given to us by Mr. Hoarder's Hide. He's got a channel. I've made things for him before, but he spent $250 on comics curing cancer to have something made for him here in the EVIL LAIR, then gave me the silver and even gave me a knife. And what are we going to do with this silver? We're going to make the Spear of Destiny. That's what he wants. So yeah, I got to go do my research. So guys, definitely like, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about this project down below. And I will catch you on the next build, guys. See y'all later. Bye. And let's just, oh yeah, let's just snap into it. Oh yeah, it's the Tasmanian toehold for you, brother. I don't know if I have any bloopers, but I'm putting that in.